Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the DEKELIFE Man Smartwatch with phone function, not only for iPhone, for all kind of smartphones out there with Android and iOS system. 1.9 inches AMOLED Touch Display, AMOLED, 450 mAh battery, and 123 sports modes. Heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, SpO2 monitor, sleep monitor, stress test function, IP68, that means you can nearly deep dive with it, and a pedometer. This is a beast with 15 military certifications. The DEKELIFE Man Smartwatch has 15 military certifications that overcome a variety of environments. The temperature tolerance range from minus 43 degrees Celsius up to 91. That's a big range. Highly transparent explosion-proof glass and military-grade zinc alloy case. Excellent waterproof, up to 50-meter depth. Experience adventure whether in rain or shine or underwater. Designed for outdoor activities. The Beast 1.0 military smartwatch is equipped with a low-power chip and large 450 mAh battery, which can be used for about 10 days after 3 hours of charging time. And it can reach 45 days in standby mode. 128 MB built-in memory are included. More space for all of the complex features, so we can use it smoothly. This time, we stood higher and we went on. And with a low power consumption with 5.2 Bluetooth. And built-in waterproof microphone TMG 4015FS W38. And speaker 1508. If we are buzzing with burger sports, the Man Smartwatch here with phone function is our sweet assistant. Support Bluetooth calls and we can accept them, we can reject them, we call back and smartwatch call recording. Display notifications, voice assistant, and it saves time and effort in communications. So why that we won't miss anything. The high resolution of the 1.9 inches display lights up on the wrist. The screen can output more than 400 lumens of brightness level. More than 4 times the convenient screen, which makes reading and use easier. The DEKELIFE smartwatches come with 2 straps, a black TPU strap and a black C bracelet, and 10 series and 123 sport modes. The fitness tracker watch supports so many fitness modes, such as running, cycling, mountaineering, skiing, swimming, hiking, extreme sports, etc. Monitor and analytics, important data such as heart rate, average pace, and calorie burned to make a workout more effective. It also directly controls the music playback, so we can enjoy music during training. And it helps us be healthier. Do you live a healthier life today? Of course, after with the Beast on our wrist. The more we know about our health, the more we can improve it. This watch features advanced 2-in-1 sensors HX3605 for continuous dynamic health, with extremely low power consumption and higher data accuracy to quickly capture the heart rate, the blood oxygen, the sleep, the blood pressure, and personal stress status. So experience the power of the DEKELIFE firsthand. Smartwatch Beast 1.0 from Man, 450 mAh high-performance battery, 50 military certifications, 2 particle bracelets, TPU and C, Bluetooth call, blood pressure, stress test, heart rate, SpO2, monitoring sleep tracking, 1, 2, 3 sports modes, activity trackers, steps, distance, calories, and more. And more than 300 dots, including dynamic UI and the DIY solution. This smartwatch Beast 1.0 is a true performance monster with eagle eye, synthetic mirror, wear resistant and high transparency better visual effects. The Beast body, durable design and composite metal material create a strong sense of stretch. And this makes this a real outdoor experience. And pay homage to any traveler who loves life. 50mm standards, high quality materials, more heat resistant and cold resistant, will leave us in their harsh environment like no man's land. And they are everywhere in the glacier, polar regions, primeval forests, desert, Andean high mountains, and deep canyons, not defined by others. Here are the brave explorers in the wilderness, back to the life, ready to break. And will be the challenges of our lives. The DEKELIFE use face to strengthen the direction, to discover and feel the beauty of life. Because daily fitness, walking, running, cycling, strength training, aerobics, and so on. Outdoor sports, climbing, skiing, golf, boating, etc. Extreme challenges, surfing, skydiving, parkour, etc. And over 10 series of sports modes with almost 123 sports modes to choose from. And we meet different training intensities for different sports requirements, from great heights to the sea, from indoors to the wilderness. Our journey doesn't end at our feet. And comprehensive health monitoring. We have heart rate. This helps us to understand the heart rate curve in real time and warns us in time of abnormalities of the heart rate. And blood and oxygen. Quickly measure our blood oxygen with the new generation sensor LED light. Always protect our health. And sleep. Monitor the quality and duration of the sleep. Awake, light sleep, deep sleep, and so on. To improve the sleep quality and easily find a good night's sleep. And we have a blood pressure device here. 24 hours blood pressure monitoring to be informed of our blood pressure status at any time. And stress level test. We keep track of our personal state of stress and throughout the day. This helps us to relax and relieve stress by adjusting our breathing, for example. And here comes more possibilities in life. With comprehensive everyday features, we have everything we need right in our palm. Or better put, on the wrist. The call is turned on with only one click. Drinking memories and sedentary memories make our life regularly. Weather forecasts make it possible to prepare for a trip. Even more exciting waiting for us. And we have a beast design defined a new standard. The hollow design is lighter and softer. The fit is stronger. The wrist comfort is better than the convenient silicone straps out there. And the watch will not loosen no matter how intense the movement is. The TPU strap has been refined and remains skin friendly and pressable in the long term. And we have Smartwatch Beast 1.0. Chameleon, choose the dial that suits our style. We choose from deep sky, sport themes, minimalistic design, and hundreds of other dials, and use them on the 1.9 inches AMOLED display to brighten up our mood and bring the world to our wrist. And it comes off on DEKELIFE. In 2019, they began to develop here, and in 2023, they released the Beast series on the market. And we can see here the newest version of it. This is the DEKELIFE Smartwatch, the Beast 1.0 with phone function, 1.9 inches AMOLED Touch Display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.